Better flight, better camera, better lift, better design, better technology, better everything. This is the SwellPro SplashDrone 4. Brand new, offering improved features, the all-new SD4 has set a new bar for drones worldwide. With its smart, slide-in battery, the high-performance lithium technology cells provide an impressive 30 minutes flight time. The SD4 comes with bigger motors, which means bigger power. Carrying a weight of up to 2 kilograms, this drone can also withstand strong winds up to 60 kilometers per hour. The smart remote boasts with a multitude of features: built-in GPS, real-time tracking, and dynamic return to pilot. All this along with 8 hours of battery life and a high-contrast bright screen display. Both the drone and remote are fully waterproof and boast with strong exteriors that can withstand the harshest environments. The SplashDrone 4 comes with the SD NaviFly app. This app enables logging, planning, recording of missions, as well as control and parameter setting of cameras and other modules in flight. The SD4 features can be used in many fields of service, such as search and rescue, and is great for surveying fields, roofs, and any large areas that can be difficult to survey on foot. With multiple new features and all these enhancements, the SwellPro SplashDrone 4 is everything you need in a drone. SwellPro SplashDrone 4. Fish, fly, float, film, find, wherever.